Today I recorded this really quick video for you guys. I wanted to show you my go-to no makeup look, and I don't know about you guys, but it's always been a challenge of mine to accomplish that really real no makeup look. For me, an ideal no makeup look is one where I still look like myself, just healthier. I just want to look like I did in my teens when I had no under eye circles and I was just living my best life. That's what I want to look like. I don't want to look like I'm hiding much. I don't want to look all crazy, and that was always the challenge. But on my trip to Mexico, I found 4 products that will forever be in my routine because they completely help me achieve this look. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching, you guys. But don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. So this is not a sponsored post, you guys, but they all happen to be by one brand. I received a nice PR box right before my trip to Mexico, and I took that box and put it in my luggage and I brought it in, which is how I came up with this no makeup look in the first place. I started to play with them in Mexico and I wore makeup to the beach, and this is the look that I would create because I was taking pictures. It was my birthday. I did not want to look dead. The first product that I immediately fell in love with is the Unisex Healthy Glow. It's an all-year hydrating summer tint moisturizer, and I usually applied it over my sunscreen. So I would do a moisturizer, sunscreen, and then apply this on top. This product does exactly what it claims to do. It gives me a nice healthy tint, very light, nothing too obvious, and it feels really nice on the skin. One of my favorite products that came in this PR box was this pencil here, and it's a 2-step. It's actually called a mini miracle eye wand, and it's a 2-step. So the first step is a cream, and you apply this first, and this is supposed to help lift and brighten under your eyes. And the second step is a concealer. It's a illuminating soft focus eye brightener, and that's exactly what it does. It illuminates and brightens under the eyes. I do like to apply it under the eye and then blend it around my nose and around wherever I need extra coverage. The thing that I love about this product is that you do not need to set it. I applied it, and again, even in the Mexico heat, it was 80-something degrees every day. My makeup stayed in place. I never had to set under the eyes, and that usually is a given that someone is wearing makeup if you have a very matte under eye. So this is why I feel like this look works. This technique, these products work for what I'm trying to achieve, is because I don't have to set anything. Everything just sits where it needs to sit and does not move. So the next product is the Wonder Glow, and it can be used under, over, or instead of your foundation. So this could substitute your foundation. You can apply it right here in your high points of your face to give you that nice glow. And then the last product that I use, it is the Film Star Bronze and Glow, and this one is the fair to medium. It's a bronzer here, and this one is a highlighter. Bronzer just blends in perfect around my perimeter. I use it also on the cheeks, so instead of like contouring, I use it as an overall bronze. The idea is to look like you were on vacation and your skin is perfectly bronze. I did skip mascara because I will be recording another video right after this, and I didn't want to have to fuss. But for this look, one tip that I have for you is curl your lashes as so. But while your lashes are there, that's when I would apply a little bit of mascara to only the tip. This will give your lashes the length, but it won't look so overly done. And the mascara that I love to do that with is this one by NARS, and it is the Climax mascara. And the reason I love it, it's very creamy and it coats your lashes very nicely, but without making them look clumpy. So you can still accomplish a very natural finish without it drying up on you and looking all crazy. So this is the no makeup look, you guys. Let me know what you think in the description box. Would this be your ideal look as well? And also let me know what other videos you want to see, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. So